Hi there, this is Sue Stapp. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I am coming to you at this time to show you some projects that I'm doing this month. I do workshops via Zoom, so you don't have to, we can remain socially distant and you don't have to go out of your home, out of your pajamas, and we can meet and make a set of cards. We do 4 cards, and I want to show you those 4 cards. And the thing is, with this one, you sign up to purchase a stamp set and die bundle, and then we create the Zoom class around 4 cards made with that bundle. So this bundle is Friends Are Like Seashells, and this is the first card I wanted to show you. And what I do is you get a envelope with the card kit in it, and some things are ready for you to adhere, some things you need to stamp, but like I say, you're purchasing the stamp and everything, so you'll have all the stuff. There's a checklist in here, and there's a step-by-step instruction sheet for each one. So if you're interested in this, we do still have spots available for January, and I'd be happy to have you join us. The contents are included, everything to make this card. And like I say, you're purchasing the stamp and die bundle, and you get a 10% discount with that bundle price. So that's always a helpful thing to do at the beginning of the year. So that's the first card. And the second card is this one. It's in looks like it's in a frame. And I have torn vellum here to make it look like the waves. See the little white peaks on the waves? And the set has these seashells, and the stamps have the sand dollars, and there's an insert for this, so you have a white insert. But again, you get the complete packet, including the instructions, and you'll use the stamp that you're purchasing to stamp the message on here. It says, "Friends are like seashells, you collect them along the way." And then you get the piece of vellum, which you'll tear into 3 pieces and layer that onto the front inside the frame. And then the shells go on the outside of the frame. So it's really a cute set, and it would be for any occasion. It could be for male or female. And the nice thing about, I live in North Carolina, where we have half of our state is facing the ocean and half of it's facing the mountains. So it's very scenic, and we can take a quick trip to the beach sometimes and be back in a day and enjoy the sun and the surf. I don't surf. This cardstock is our soft seafoam, and this is some of our DSP. DSP is our designer series paper, and this set, you could use either side, but I meant it to go with this side. And then this is one of our dies. It's called a stitch nested die set, and that you get 2 pieces here because you're going to do one on the inside, and this one is going to be used to stamp and cut out your seashells that are on here. And those are colored in. I used some Wink of Stella on it to give it a little sparkle. Always got to have a little sparkle. You get a checklist with everything that's included. That's my quality control to make sure that I get everything in here for everyone. So I've been starting to do that. And because as I'm getting older, I'm a little scatterbrained. Hate to admit it. Yep, don't tell anyone. So that's number 3. And this one says, "Love you to the beach and back." And then this last one, we do sponging on this, and I've sponged crumb cake at the bottom, and then balmy blue lightly here, and then pool party for the sky, and then I just drew in the little seagulls on here with a black Sharpie pen. And this is the same technique where we run the die cut and then stamp it and cut out the pieces and just layer them on our card. And it is this is Grapefruit Grove. It's one of our in colors. And I think you'll really like this set. It to me, it has a lot of uses, and I like to get the most bang for my buck, so I'm always looking for projects and items that I can purchase and use for cards for all age groups. And so this is the set. There's 4 cards. You purchase the stamp and die set bundle through me as a demonstrator, and my online store 24/7 is suestapp.stampinup.net. My email is suestapp1@gmail.com, and you can reach me on my blog at suestapp.com. So if you have any questions, by all means get a hold of me. I'd love to talk to you and explain more about our program. We do a workshop in the mail every month, and then we do the Zoom workshop every month. So they're 2 totally different things, and I do have some YouTube videos on those if you want to browse back through them and see the kind of stuff we're doing. We have a great group of ladies, and I really enjoy doing these cards and playing with my Stampin' Up! Toys. So love to have you join us. Thanks for joining me today. If you can give me a thumbs up on the video, that would be great, and subscribe to my channel, that would be even greater. And I will hopefully talk to you soon and see you soon, and happy stamping. Bye for now.